Upcycling a chair is about bringing something old back to life. These chairs can be found anywhere really. You can go Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, or you can even grab one for your mum and dad's old house. Hard Rubbish Collection is another amazing place to grab these kind of chairs from. So to upcycle this chair today, we're going to be using some rollers and brushes, we're going to be using some sandpaper, our safety equipment, and an electric sander. First, we're going to need to remove any dirt and grime from our surfaces. Trust me on this one, guys. Don't start sanding until your chair is completely dry or you'll mess up your sandpaper. Before you start sanding, make sure to check on your PPE. I've got some glasses here. Luckily for me, I've already got glasses, so I'm just going to wear those, and a sanding mask. We're going to use both an electric sander and hand sandpaper to get rid of all our dents and scratches in our chair. With sanding, you don't need to take it all the way back to the wood, you just need to make sure the surface is nice and smooth. I'm lucky because my chair doesn't have any nicks or scrapes in it, but if yours does, just grab some gap filler and that'll even it out. After sanding, grab a damp cloth to remove any excess dust. Time to paint, so use a brush and roller to paint your chair. Make sure your chair is clean and dry before you start painting. If you have a detail like I do, just make sure you take it out before you start painting. There we go. So I poured some of the paint into the end here, but now I'm rolling it out just to get an even distribution over the roller. You'll need 2 coats to give it a nice even look. We get to do the super fun thing and stand here and watch paint dry. Our paint is all dry on our chair now. You can put your detail back in, but it's not really my taste, so I'm going to leave it out. We've updated this chair and it's gone from drab to fab.